Starting a financial consulting company in Dubai is like opening up a gateway to a booming market. Corporate tax changes, free zones, and a growing wealth management scene really set the stage.
Absolutely. The shift from a tax-free reputation to corporate tax regulations means companies need serious advisory now, right?
Exactly. I mean, with the new tax and VAT regulations, every business, from small startups to huge multinationals, is in search of guidance on tax planning, filing, and compliance. And that's just one
Yeah.
facet of the puzzle.
So, beyond tax advisory, what kinds of services can a consultancy in Dubai offer?
Well, you've got a broad spectrum. Think corporate tax advisory, business valuation, VAT consultancy, real estate investment consulting, plus even risk management. It's like offering a custom tailored suite of financial services, each stitched for a
Right.
particular client need.
And speaking of customization, are there any special niches that consultants can focus on?
For sure, in this market, specialization is key. For instance, given Dubai's vast real estate market, there's a huge avenue for real estate investment consulting. Plus, with rising cross border transactions, expertise in international tax planning and business valuations really stands
hmm
out.
It almost sounds too good to be true, though. Aren't there a ton of legal hoops, licenses, documents, and approvals to get through?
Actually, yes, you need a professional license, which means choosing between mainland registration or a free zone
Yep.
setup. And then there's the whole gamut of documentary work, passport copies, trade name reservation, tenancy agreements, and even a memorandum of association.
Right, I see. And what about the step-by-step process? It sounds quite elaborate.
It is, and that's why the setup usually follows a 10-step process, from defining your services, picking the right jurisdiction, mainland or free zone, to reserving a trade name, getting initial approvals, and securing your office space. Then you apply for necessary regulatory approvals, register for corporate tax, open a bank account, and hire employees with proper visas.
Yeah? Hmm. But don't you think such a detailed process might be overkill for someone just starting out?
That's a fair point. But consider it this way. The detailed process is what ensures compliance and long-term success. It's like building a solid foundation for a skyscraper. The extra steps now save you from potential legal and financial headaches later.
And the costs involved? What kind of numbers are we talking about here?
Well, licensing fees vary by jurisdiction. In free zones, it might be 15,000 AED to 30,000 AED annually, and for mainland registrations, it's slightly higher, maybe 20,000 AED to 35,000 AED. With specialized zones like DIFC for regulated services, the costs can jump to 40,000 AED or more.
Right. That's quite an investment up front, but it does seem that the market potential offsets it, right?
Absolutely. With Dubai's growth ambitions, like the D33 economic agenda, and its status as a magnet for international companies, clients are essentially paying for expertise. Plus, there are partners, like AE Setup, who help streamline everything from filing to visa processes.
Yeah, definitely. So, in essence, if you have the expertise and the drive, setting up a consultancy here really taps into a vibrant, growing market.
Exactly. It's about positioning yourself in a market that demands high compliance and strategic planning. And whether you're venturing into tax advisory or risk management, what matters most is clarity in your services and staying on top of legal demands.
It sounds like, with the right strategy and support, Dubai offers a wealth of opportunities for financial consultants looking to make a significant impact.